Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to watch movies on Stremio. First, open Stremio. If you haven't installed it, download and install it from the official website. Once the application is open, log in. Use your credentials to log in or create a new account. On the main screen of Stremio, you will find a wide variety of movies and series. You can browse through different categories or use the search bar to find a specific title. Select any movie or series that you want. This will open the details page for that particular title. On the details page, you will see a play button. Click on the play button to start streaming. A prompt will appear asking you to select an app to open the link. Choose your preferred media player or browser. The movie or series will start playing. You can control the playback using the player controls. To pause the movie, simply click on pause. You can also resume this by clicking on play again. If you want to skip or go back, you can use the forward and reverse controls on the player. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.